I catch this cardinal every day, y'all. Every day. Where's the nest at? Where's the nest? Where's the nest? Where your nest at? I see a cardinal out here every day. I seen 2 blue jays the other day, maybe 4 days ago. But I always see the cardinal bird. That's always. Y'all, like, what type of nest do the cardinal birds have? I want to get close up to it, but they ain't gonna even. They so special. I can't even get no good view. See, it's gone. It won't let me get that damn close up to it. It's gonna keep going. Yep. It's my cardinal. Cardinal bird.